Hi guys, Brett here at Kendal Automart. Pretty dismal day here in Kendal today, but I just wanted to show you this lovely Ford Edge we've just taken in. Just before I take you through it, just want to show you a little bit more about us here at Automart. So we're attached to a Honda dealership in the background and the Seat dealership to the left here. They bring most of the cars that we bring to you via part exchange, and all of our servicing, MOT, repairs are all done with our Honda trained technicians in our Kendal Honda branch. Just off the Appleby Road in Kendal here, with that lovely viewpoint from the office window, and all of our vehicles are stored on site ready for you to drive for your convenience. So this one's finished in the electric spice metallic. You've got the big 19-inch alloys there as well. As you come around, the specification on this one is unbelievable. You've got the rear parking camera, park sensors, opening glass sunroof, part leather interior, registered in 2016 on 66 reg. There we go. So that one just needs a little bit of attention from our Smart Fix team, which will be done as part of our preparation. And again, the front one here. So sorry, 20-inch rims on this one. Sorry, not 19s. I'm getting a little bit ahead of myself there. So 20-inch alloys, park assist at the front as well. Like I say, opening glass sunroof, part leather interior, which I'll show you now. You've got the keyless start, keyless entry function as well. 2 manufacturer keys. You've got rubber floor mats throughout with this one as well. Confirmation of the mileage there for you. You've got multifunction steering wheel with your cruise control and audio controls on there. You've got your navigation system, your radio settings in there. You've got your climate control seats and heated steering wheel, which are controlled here. There's a few shortcuts for that down here as well. But you've got the Sony entertainment system as well. Automatic gear selector. You've got the park assist, like I mentioned, start stop, park sensors, electric parking brake. 2 manufacturer keys, and like I said, the lovely part leather interior as well, which runs throughout the vehicle. But plenty of spec on this one. Really good driving experience as well. But thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.